Remove makeup, wash face and neck. Applying toner. Have the customer half lay back on the bed. Remove double chin with laser pads. Remove excess fat on the chin. Tighten the skin while removing the double chin. Fix the strap from the chin to the top of the head. Fix the small laser pads on the chin. Adjust energy parameters. Adjust energy to 9, time to 20 minutes, mode to A, and the laser light will stay on. Do not use when the chin is allergic, wounded, or just had liposuction, lipolysis, or other implants. Remove the laser pads and strap.